Video number 13. A guide on social media advertising. Tumblr ads. Tumblr is not only one of the fastest growing social media platforms, it is also a great opportunity for businesses and brands. The platform claims that 70% of consumers have a more positive perception about a brand after seeing a sponsored post on Tumblr. Tumblr advertising. Advertising on Tumblr can really boost your blog, whether you are looking for more engagement, to build awareness, maximize video views, or simply grow your followers. There are 4 main types of Tumblr ads. Sponsored posts, placed on Tumblr and Yahoo, CPE and CPC on Yahoo. Desktop radar. Your post is promoted on the web dashboard, impressions are guaranteed CPM. Mobile trending blog. Your blog is featured among the latest and greatest blogs on mobile, to help you grow your followers, CPF cost per follower. Sponsored video. Your video is pushed on the dashboard stream to maximize views. Videos will autoplay and loop CPV. Audience and targeting. Tumblr lets you target users by interest. You can deliver your message to those who are more likely to engage with your post. Users can be targeted based on the information provided by the Tumblr data experts. How to use Tumblr for business. With the following tactics and best practices, you can use Tumblr to its full potential for your own business. Provide the right kind of value. Offer Tumblr users an opportunity too irresistible to ignore, something they would consider extremely valuable. Combine humor with promotion. People are more likely to reblog content if it's entertaining. Since links alone get the least amount of engagement and virality on Tumblr, create fun GIFs and images in the articles which have an element of humor or entertainment so as not to seem too pushy. Make paid posts innovative. While Tumblr's paid posts do get content in front of users, unless the content is interesting, there is no engagement or virality. Tumblr users want something out of the ordinary, no matter what company you are. Use memes to fit in. Tumblr users are especially inclined to interact with content that's cute or makes them smile, so pair a product with a feel-good image to frequently spike engagement. Know your audience. Instead of treating Tumblr as just another social media site, create content that appeals specifically to Tumblr users. One similarity Tumblr shares with other social platforms is that its users like a little attention thrown their way. Tumblr tactics vary widely. Generally speaking, your usual social media content won't fly here. Success on Tumblr relies on whether your content is creative, funny, or artistic enough to reblog. Know your audience and give them what they want. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.